Dear viewers, welcome to the official YouTube channel of BTC Technolabs Private Limited. A firm engages in IT development and support. This is our new venture to help and motivate young software developers as well as IT students who are interested in learning and upgrade their skills. State Management System in ASP.NET. Now we can see how to use the cookie. A cookie is often used to identify a user. A cookie is a small file that the server embeds on the user's computer. Each time the same computer requires a page with a browser, it will send the cookie to. With ASP, you can both create and retrieve cookie values. Now, right click on the project, add new item. Now select a web form from project and name it as cookie. And then click on the add button. In design page, drag and drop a button and label in it. Now double click on the button, it will show the code page event. In page load events, cookie name variables assigned to a string value. And then assign the cookie variable to a label. Now just save and build the project. And run the project in the Internet Explorer. And in browser we can see the button and the output printed in a label. Now double click on the button and open the code page. On button click event, declare a HTTP cookie object and assign a value to that object. Now write cookie values dot value equal to this is another cookie. And now write response dot cookies dot add the cookie value and then assign the object value to the label. Then save and build the project, and then run it on the browser. In browser we can see the button, and now click on the button, then we can show the output in the label. Now we can see how to use a query string. A query string is a collection of characters input to a computer or web browser. A query string is helpful when we want to transfer a value from one page to another, when we need to pass content between the HTML pages or ASPX web forms in the context of ASP.NET. Now right click on the project and click add new item. Now select a web form from project and name it as query string, and then click add. In design, write name and drag a text box, and then write last name and drag and drop a text box. Now also drag a button to the page. Then just double click on the button. In the button click, write another web form name query value.aspx, with question mark, and assign the two text box value in it. Here we use response.redirect. Here the name and last name appended value is redirected to the page query value.axpx as a query string. Now just save the query string.aspx.cs page. Then right click on the project and create new web form and name it as query value.axpx, and then click add. In design page, select a label from toolbox. Then go to the view code page. On the page load event, declare a variable name as string and assign the name query string value in it. And declare another string variable as lname and assign the last name query string value in it. Then append that two values and assign it to a label. That is, just write welcome, then append the first name, then append the last name. Then just save and build the project. And run the query string.aspx. We can see name and last name text boxes, and just give name and last name values and click on the button. Then we can see our URL will change and passing two values in that URL, and the output is printed in label. Now we can see how to use a session. A session object stores information about or change settings for a user session. ASP.NET Session State enables you to store and retrieve values for a user as the user navigates ASP.NET pages in a web application. Now right click on the project and add a new item. Now select a web form from project and name it as session.aspx. On the design page, just write as username and drag and drop a text box for enter the username, and then write password and drag and drop another text box for enter the password. Then drag and drop a button from toolbox. Now double click on the button and open the code file. In button click event, declare a username session variable and assign username text box value in it. Declare another password session variable and assign password text box value in it. Use redirect function to redirect to the session value.aspx page. Just save and build the project. Then right click on the project and add new item to create new web form and name it as session value.aspx. In session value.aspx design, drag two labels and go to the view code page. In page load event, check whether the session username value is null. If it is not null and has value, then assign that value to label 1. Also, check session password value is null. If it is not null and has value, then assign that value to label 2. Then save and build the project. Then run the session.aspx page. Now we can see two text boxes, username and password, and a button. Enter the username and password and click on the button. It will go to the session value.aspx page and shows the text box values in labels. Thanks for watching this video. For more tutorial videos on IT development, please subscribe our channel. Kindly send your feedback and suggestions to our email ID, that is info@btctechnolabs.com.